Okay, so here's part C. So you're saying it's 3/4 minus 1/4 of 3/4, right?
Yeah, because you have the same amount of white, and then you're just adding in a little triangles.
Okay. So what is this?
So this is 3/4. This is 12/16 minus 9/16, which is 12/16 minus 3/16.
Which is
9/16.
9/16. Is there another way you can look at this calculation?
Well, so 3/4 minus 1/4 of 3/4. It's another way I could look at this. Well, you could imagine putting all these triangles into one of these little triangles here.
No, they're looking at the calculation itself, just the calculation itself for now.
Well,
3/4 minus 1/4 times 3/4.
what else could I do besides getting a common denominator?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Well, it's definitely, you can't do 3 minus 1. You can't do 3/4 minus 1/4 times 3/4.
No. Certainly not.
So, instead of fourths, what else could you do? How could you rewrite this?
Yeah, how can you rewrite this equation? 3/4 minus 1/4 times 3/4. How can I rewrite that to make the calculation easier?
Well, you could just write 3/4 minus 3/16.
Yeah, that's what you did the first time.
So, what could you do? What would make this calculation easier? Well, you could factor out a 3/4 of everything.
Okay, well, what happens?
So you have 3/4 times 1 minus 1/4. So 3/4 times 3/4. Which is 9/16.
Okay. And what happens the next step? This is after step 2.
Then the same process repeats.
Okay, what happens?
So you'd have 9/16 times 1. So, because you're going to have 9/16 minus. So, 9/16 minus 1/4 of 9/16. So you're going to have 9/16 times. Yeah. So, that's how it would work.
Okay.
So the factoring way does the same thing.
What is this?
This is 27 over 64.
Okay. Do you see do you see the patterns? What's going on here?
Multiplying by 3 on the top and 4 on
1,
the bottom.
3/4, 9/16, 27, 64. So what are you multiplying by? What's the pattern?
So you're multiplying by 3/4 each time.
Multiplying by 3/4 each time. So this was step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay. What kind of series is this?
That's a geometric series?
That's a geometric series. So that's the idea on this problem, is it turns out there is a really easy way to see it. You're taking away 1/4 of the remaining area each time, which leaves you with 3/4 of the remaining area. So you're just going along multiplying by 3/4. So you start at whatever the area is, we can just call it 1. Step 1, 3/4, 9/16, 27 64, 81, 256, 243 over 1024. Just like that. Now I know it took us 3 movies to talk through this, but do you see what's going on, most importantly?
Mm-hmm.
And do you see that, as it turns out, there was kind of a sneaky way to do this?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good job.